So, Nike outlet store, that is a very long line right there. Ooh. What's up everyone, Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. We are here at the Nike outlet store. Look at that one. Nice car, mini car. Astig yung jeep dun. Tignan mo. May puso-puso pa siya. Ayos. Pero gawa tayo ng halo-halo.
Where's your crew? Came by yourself?
Yeah.
It's Saturday though. Everybody in school.
So we have here the Nike React Element 87 on 99. We have here the React Vision $69.99. Some React Infinity Run, well, still high price. More stock right here of this Infinity Run, $99.99. Look at the peak of the week right here, $34.97. Air Max Akito for $34.97. Peak of the week. Okay, more of these Nike React Infinity Run Flyknit. I like this colorway though, $99. More Infinity Run Flyknit, $119. Hey, this one's not bad for the price. Odyssey React 2 Flyknit, $49.97. This should be good with the additional 25%. I'm not gonna check on this one. What is the good size to resell? We got find something good right here. $19.99 for this one. Ooh. And then I'm gonna have the additional discount. Why not? Not bad for this one. I'm gonna pick this up. Maybe for personal or resale. 19 for this backpack. Why not? Why not? So there is additional 40% off backpacks only. Well, if it's not the case, am I gonna get more? Well, maybe it depends for the price. I'm gonna double check on that one. 20% with that $19, 40% off. Sure, why not? We got here also the $49.99 of the Air Monarch. Nike Metcon 4. They are reselling well also. $69.99 with the 25% off. So I did the comps already. I'm not gonna get the size 11 or 11.5. That is the better sizes that I need to pick up or to resell. The Nike Metcon 6. This one is like, whew, not bad for the quality in this one though. And then look around with the other training shoes. We got $74, $54.99, and the Renew Illusion, and another training shoes, $34.99. Benassi Just Do It for the black one. This blue is $19.99 as well. They have a full size one though. Okay, this Kyrie 6 Tb Colorway is the white and black, is sitting right here, $69.97. Even though with the additional 25%, they are still sitting here. I'm gonna double check on those. Also this one, $69.97. Well, why they are not much reseller picking them up? Maybe there's something wrong with that. Look at this one. We got the Nike Air Zoom BB next. It has additional discount now, $89.99. Nice colorway, huh? Nice, good basketball shoes with the double stack Air Zoom right there. Why not those? Why not on that one? Here the Air Max 270 React, $99.97. The triple black is much more expensive, $89.99. But I like this color. Ooh. Man, I like it. Some Nike Air Max XZ 59, Nike React Presto. There we go. But that's all that they got. But I'm picking this up. And yep, I'll take them all. Well, this one is the Nike Joyride CC, $49.99. Not bad on those. this colorway of the Joyride CC Setter, $69.97. Ooh, look at those React Elements, $55.89 though. Full price, no Nike Zoom, no, still high. Moving on to the basketball aisles, we have here the LeBron, the new LeBron, and they are on high price. The other Nike factory store is much more better, $149.97. We have here in the outlet is a little bit more expensive, $159, $159. Also in the Soldier, whew. Hey, look at this one. Do you like LeBron icon? I would love to have this one, man. I like the colorway. I might gonna pick up my size 10.5 since they already are in 99, and it looks like a somewhat off-white vibe. See that one right there? Yeah, but hey, I'm thinking about it. The KD13 $124, full price, pass, clearance wall. So we got some Kyrie 6. We got some Nike Court Royal, $49.97. Nike Max 720. Interesting. Alright, you got here the Kyrie S2, $119. I would like to have this one also in the collection. And this is the ACG React Agave. That was selling for $109. I found this LeBron though for $119.99. Look at the color, not bad. It's like red colorway. Also found this Jordan Mars 270 with that black and gold. It's on $59.97. Pick this up. Alright, so we're here in the kids section. So not much going on. Just like this one, we got the Kyrie 6 here, no additional discount. That's just kind of high a little bit, that one. Also, this one, I saw this one in the Nike factory store. Well, this one is not bad though. Jordan Max 200, $69.99. So we have here women's Verona, $69.99. This is kind of expensive though, much cheaper on the Nike factory. We have here Air Max Motion 2, $49.97. How about this one? We got the Resell Pegasus 36, $59.97. Oh, not bad. Here is another Resell Pegasus. Well, $54.97 of the Nike Resell Pegasus 36. Look at this one, women's Nike React Infinity Run. Hell, $99. Joyride, $99. This React Infinity Run as well is another $99. Another $99. A lot of Infinity React runs line are popping up. Wow, we got some Jordans here. What kind of Jordan? We got Jordan Zoom 92. Retail is $150, and yes, they are selling for $150. $74.97 with the Zoom Freak one. Not bad. Alright, so I'm ready to check out, and this is only one I'm picking up today. Alright, so we are done here on the outlet. So not much going on here, and I don't have to buy that much because nothing that much big deal. But anyway, I pick up 5 and I got the most of the good stuff. I think kinda got the leftovers. So first up, we have here the Jordan Mars 270 black anthracite, metallic, and gold. So got the last pair of 10.5 because they are reselling very well. Look at the colorway of the black and gold. That's not bad with that colorway. Also, I got 2 pairs of the Nike Metcon 4 Atmosphere Gray Vest and Gray. So nice color on this one, not too much going on. Like the colorway of the gum bottom. Got them for $69.99 and then additional 25% discount, so that's not bad. pick up only the size 11.5 because some of the size is not really good. And also this is the last pair of 11.5. Also grab some of these Nike backpack, which is Resell backpack. I'm not really sure. This comes with the camo design. I like behind the other one because those are 1999 and 1997, so that means those are not included in the 40% off. But this one is $29.99. The price here is $29.99. There you go, $29.99 with the additional 40%. So it came down to $17, which is much better deal rather than the other one, $19.99, and then have the 40%. And then additional discount of 25%. Boom. Not bad for this one. Am I gonna give it to someone or maybe keep it for when I go traveling? And lastly, we have the last pair, and yeah, I really take the whole stock, I mean the leftover stock anyway though. So we have here the Nike Presto, the colorway black, off noir, and white. Last pair of this one. And whew, if you haven't had a Presto, you don't know that these are very comfortable, including the combination of React and Nike Presto. Not bad on those. The upper portion is mostly Nike Presto, and the midsole comes with the Nike React, which is very comfortable midsole. Which is I got me a lot of those as running shoes because I really like the comfortability. So putting two in one together in very comfortable shoes and very casual shoes, nice casual shoes, comes with that black and white. Can't go wrong on those. Alright, so that is all that I got here at the Nike outlet store, and not bad to pick them up, picking return of $25 a piece, so I'll still take it. I just don't want to force myself buy a lot, even though they have a 25% discount, including all things in the clothing. I didn't get the clothing. Why? Because clothings usually have the 30% off. Not a good one to buy them right now. With that 25%, no. So no clothing right now, just shoes. Focusing on the shoes with the 25% discount. Well, with that all, so I hope you like this video. I hope you like this pickup. I hope you like what I got today on a Nike factory, a Nike outlet store. And with that said, thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.